Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Soros Digital Learning. Students, as we have started lesson number 13, Pythagoras theorem. So let us see practice set number 49. To solve this practice set, see the basic things now. We will see the question. Question number 1. Find the Pythagorean triplets. Triplets means you can see here integers. This is the first integer, this is the second integer, this is the third integer. In all these examples there are three integers. Pythagorean triplets from among the following sets of numbers. So first of all, see here what to do for this. Among these all three integers, first of all we have to find the square of each number. Square of each number. Square of 3 is very good. 3 3s are 9. So the square of 3 is 9. Square of 4, mashallah, very good. 4 4s are 16. So square of 4 is 16. And as same, square of 5 is 25. So first of all we have to write the square of all these numbers. And after that we have to take the bigger number from this. So as you can see here, from this 3, 4 and 5, 5 is the biggest number. So you have to see here the square of the biggest number. Square of the biggest number. Square of this number is 25. If the square of the biggest number is equal to the square of this number and this number, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. 9 plus 16, 25. If the sum of these squares, if the sum is addition, if the sum of two smaller number square is equal to the biggest number square, then the given triplet is a Pythagorean triplet. Okay, let's see the solution. The idea will be more clear. See here now. Practice number 4, set number 49. Example number 1. Example number 1. Right here. Solution. Okay. Now after solution, what to do here? We have the numbers 3, 4, 5. So we want square of 3. Square of 3 is 3 into 3, that is equal to 9. Okay, then the other number is our 4. So 4 square means 4 into 4, that is 16. And the last number is our 5. So 5 square. 5 square is what? 5 into 5, 25. Now as first of all we have gone with the first step, that find the square of the given numbers. Okay, now from these three numbers, see which number is the biggest one. So you can see here, this one is the biggest number, 5. Now we have to check here. What we have to check here? That the sum of two small numbers is equal to the bigger number square or not. This is the process now. Here write the sum of two numbers smaller. Out of this 9, 16, 25, this 9 and 16 is smaller one. So write here 9 plus 16 is equals to 25. Is equals to 25. Yeah, and this will give us the proof of what? That 9 is the square root of 9 is 3. Square of 3 is 9 and square root of 9 is 3. So here 3 square plus 16 square root is 4. 4 square is equals to, and the square root of 25 is 5. Is 5 square. So you have got your idea that 3 square plus 4 square is equals to 5 square. So if this is the condition, then At last you write here 3, 4 and 5. These integers were in the question. 3, 4 and 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. What is the central idea to find the Pythagorean triplet? See smaller number out of these 3, 4, 5. So 3 and 4 are the smaller number, yeah. So the square of this number should be the answer of square of the bigger number. Okay, it's a very simple. Now one more example we'll see. That's example number 2. In the example it is given, example is 2, 4, 5. Okay, so the method is same. Yes, beta, very good. Solution, mashallah. Solution. Then what to do here? First of all, find the square of all the numbers. 2 square, then 4 square, then 5 square. Yeah, even if you go with the shortcut, no issue beta. 2 square is 4. This I have done just for your understanding purpose. 2 square is 4, 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25. Just now we have got the square of 4 and 5 in the previous example. Now the next step is what? Next step is, therefore, do the addition of this. See which are the smaller number. 2 and 4 are the smaller number, and with the square 4 plus 16. 4 plus 16 is it equal to 25? No, because 4 plus 16 is 20, so it is not equal to. We have tried here not equal to. Right here 4 plus 16 is 20, is not equal to 25. It is not equal to 25. That means see other step. Therefore 2 square root of 4 is 2, square root of 16 is 4, plus 4 square is not equal to 25. Is not equal to 25. Since this is not equal to 25, this is not equal to 5 square. Okay, 2 square plus 4 square is not equal to 5 square. Yeah, because 20 is not equal to 25. So at last we write here 2, 4, 5. 2, 4 and 5 is not. Remember in the mind, what do you use the word not? Is not a Pythagorean triplet. So from these two examples you got the idea which one is the Pythagorean triplet and which one is not the Pythagorean triplet. Okay, so got the idea of this. Okay, Jazakallah, thank you.